Hi, my name is Rosabelle. What's cracking? I'm Rosabelle and thank you for tuning into my channel. Today on my channel, we will be learning 7 signs that you can teach to your child today to help them better express themselves. Before we get started, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button below to subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell next to it, that way you can get my notifications first for when I post more videos similar to this. Please go ahead and give me a big thumbs up, or if you really don't like it, go ahead and give me a thumbs down and put a comment below and let me know why you didn't like it or why you did like it and what else you would like to see. Getting started, we're going to start with happy. Palms facing in, you're gonna bring them close to your body and go in a circular motion outward. So it's gonna look like happy. It's like you're brushing up yourself. Happy. Second sign today will be sad. Take your hands, palms facing in, fingers closed, and you're gonna go in a downward motion with your hands, bringing your head down with it. So sad, sad. The third one today is going to be angry. Take your claw hands, this is what we call claw hands, and you're gonna bring them up your body like you're angry, like angry, angry. The fourth sign today will be please. Take your hand, palm facing in, put it up on your chest, and go in a counterclockwise motion. So it will look like this. Please, please. This is also the same sign for sorry. Sorry is a closed hand, like a closed fist. Your thumb can be here in the S position, or it can be in the A position. Put it on your heart and go in the same counterclockwise motion. Sorry. The next one will be eat. Act like you're picking up a tissue. So this is what your hand is going to look like, and bring it to your mouth. Eat. Eat. The next one will be thank you. Closed hand, bring it from your mouth and bring it out. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. The last sign, since I did give you guys a bonus one with sorry, your last sign will be more. So if your child is still hungry or wants some more of something, he or she can easily say more. Get your tissue hands, bring them together. More. More. Thanks so much for watching this video. Again, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel with the subscribe button below. Go ahead and click the bell next to it to get my notifications first. Please either thumbs up or thumb down this video if you did not like it, and leave a comment below explaining why you didn't like it, or if you did like it, go ahead and suggest more videos for me. Thank you. Bye.